This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a CHash UI project and choosing WinForms or WPF. This determines rendering and data binding patterns. Once done, add NuGet packages like Newtonsoft, JSON for config, and a lightweight MVVM helper to separate UI logic. Make sure to import layout assets and a small sample JSON model to iterate quickly. Begin by sketching the panel structure, header list, detail pane, so you can implement controls in that order and test each piece as you go. You now build the panel, create a user control for the header, a virtualized list for items, and a detail pane for properties. Use observable collection or iNotify property changed so UI updates automatically when models change. This prevents manual refresh bugs. Once controls exist, wire selection change to iCommand handlers so actions are testable and undoable. Also implement basic validation and enable /disable logic on buttons. That avoids invalid states and keeps the panel responsive during heavy operations. You finish by implementing state persistence, serialize panel state and settings to JSON and restore them at startup, so users return to the same view. Next, optimize. Virtualize long lists, make I/O asynchronous, and debounce frequent events to prevent UI freezes. Finally, add structured logging and unit tests for core logic. If things go wrong, reproduce the minimal failing case and check logs for exception stacks. That pinpoints whether the issue is binding, threading, or data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.